Dive into the world of strength training with the Fitness Reality 810 XLT Supermax Power Cage. A mid-priced gem for both medium and advanced weight trainers, this power cage is a beacon of durability and versatility. With 19 adjustable heights, the Fitness Reality 810 XLT doesn't adhere to Westside spacing standards, yet it stands out with its robust design. It's ready to evolve with your fitness journey, allowing for various attachments and accessories. Weighing in at 133.5 pounds, it provides ample stability without the need for floor bolting. So one user raved, the Fitness Reality 810 XLT rack is an unbelievable value. It's rated for 800 pounds, has ample space, does not need to be bolted down, and is also very sturdy. The build quality of the Fitness Reality 810 XLT is impressive, with 2x2 steel tubing ensuring a solid frame. Although lighter than some commercial-grade racks, it offers the stability needed for intense workouts. The 8110 XLT accommodates a 7-foot Olympic bar and features durable chromed safety bars. It's a perfect fit for both beginners and seasoned lifters, providing more than what you pay for. This power cage boasts over 40 possible exercises, with a weight capacity of 800 pounds for the cage and 270 pounds for the lat pull-down attachment. It's a powerhouse for a variety of workouts, including squats, curls, and pull-ups. The high pulley station and multi-grip chinning bars add to the versatility, making the Fitness Reality 810 XLT a comprehensive solution for a home gym setup. If you're looking for an entry-level power rack that doesn't compromise on quality, the Fitness Reality 8110 XLT Supermax Power Cage is a strong contender. That's all.